API management is a way to create consistent and modern API gateways for existing backend services. It helps organizations publish APIs to external, partner, and internal developers to unlock the potential of their data and services. Azure API Management, APM, is a fully managed service that enables you to create, publish, maintain, monitor, and secure APIs at any scale. Azure API Management provides a range of benefits, including security, scalability, and analytics. It allows you to manage all your APIs in one place, ensuring consistent security and governance. With APM, you can transform your services into scalable, manageable, and secure APIs that can be consumed by various clients. Azure API Management consists of three main components: API Gateway, Azure Portal, and Developer Portal. The API Gateway acts as a facade to the backend services, handling all incoming API requests. The Azure Portal is where administrators can manage APIs, and the Developer Portal is where developers can discover and consume APIs. To set up an Azure API Management instance, you need to navigate to the Azure Portal, select Create a Resource, and search for API Management. After selecting it, you will need to configure the instance by providing details such as the name, resource group, and pricing tier. Once configured, you can create the instance and wait for it to be deployed. Policies in Azure API Management are a powerful capability that allows you to change the behavior of the API through configuration. Policies are a collection of statements that are executed sequentially on the request or response of an API. Examples include rate limiting, IP filtering, and transformation of requests and responses. Security is a critical aspect of API management. Azure API Management provides several options for securing your APIs, including OAuth 2.0, OpenID Connect, and client certificate authentication. You can also use policies to enforce security measures such as IP filtering and rate limiting to protect your APIs from abuse. Azure API Management includes built-in monitoring and analytics to help you understand how your APIs are being used. You can track metrics such as the number of calls, response times, and error rates. This data can be used to optimize the performance of your APIs and ensure they are meeting the needs of your users. The Developer Portal is a key feature of Azure API Management. It provides a customizable self-service hub for developers to discover, learn about, and consume APIs. Developers can sign up, get API keys, read documentation, and test APIs directly from the portal. This helps streamline the onboarding process and fosters a community around your APIs. Versioning and revisions are important for managing changes to your APIs. Azure API Management allows you to create multiple versions of an API, enabling you to introduce new features or changes without disrupting existing consumers. Revisions allow you to make non-breaking changes to an API and roll them out incrementally. Azure API Management is designed to scale with your needs. You can choose from different pricing tiers based on your requirements and easily scale up or down as needed. This ensures that your API management solution can handle increased traffic and provide a consistent experience for your users. Azure API Management can be integrated with other Azure services such as Azure Functions, Logic Apps, and App Services. This allows you to create powerful serverless APIs that can leverage the full capabilities of the Azure ecosystem. Integration with Azure Active Directory also provides robust security and identity management. Consider a company that has multiple legacy systems and wants to expose their functionality through modern APIs. By using Azure API Management, they can create a unified API gateway that provides a consistent interface to these systems. This not only simplifies integration for external partners, but also enhances security and monitoring capabilities. To get the most out of Azure API Management, follow best practices such as designing APIs with a clear and consistent structure, using versioning to manage changes, and implementing robust security measures. Regularly monitor and analyze API usage to identify areas for improvement and ensure your APIs are meeting the needs of your users. Azure API Management is a powerful tool for managing and securing your APIs. By following the steps outlined in this presentation, you can set up and configure an API instance, secure your APIs, and monitor their usage. The next steps involve exploring advanced features such as custom policies and integrating with other Azure services to fully leverage the capabilities of Azure API Management.